In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks from photos in ClipDrop. Before we start, a quick reminder, only remove watermarks from images you own or have explicit permission to edit. This tutorial is for legitimate cleanup of your own photos or licensed content. Open your web browser and head to clipdrop.co. Once the homepage loads, look for the navigation and click on Tools. From the list of options, choose Cleanup. Cleanup is ClipDrop's object removal tool, and it's designed to seamlessly erase unwanted elements, like text overlays or logos, from an image by intelligently filling in the background. On the Cleanup page, you'll see a large upload area. Click the area that says Click, Paste, or Drop a File here to start. You can select a file from your computer, paste an image you've copied, or simply drag and drop it. For best results, use the highest resolution version of your photo so the tool has more detail to work with. After your image loads, locate the brush size control. Adjust it so the brush is just slightly larger than the watermark you want to remove. A smaller brush gives you more precision around edges, while a larger brush speeds up coverage on bigger marks. If it helps, zoom into your image so you can work carefully around fine details and textures. Now paint over the watermark. Be sure to cover the entire watermark area, including any faint edges or shadows. Try not to brush over areas you want to keep, like faces, logos you own, or intricate patterns that shouldn't be altered. Take your time. Clean selection leads to cleaner results. When your selection looks good, click Clean. ClipDrop will process the image and replace the brushed area with matching background content. This usually takes a moment. Review the result closely. If you see artifacts or blurry patches, you can undo and try again with a slightly different brush size, or refine the selection and run clean one more time. Complex backgrounds sometimes benefit from a couple of passes rather than one large selection. Once you're happy with the outcome, click Download to save the edited image to your device. Consider saving it with a new file name so you keep your original untouched for future edits or comparison. That's it. You've opened ClipDrop, used tools and cleanup, uploaded your image, adjusted brush size, painted over the watermark, clicked Clean, and downloaded the finished photo. Thanks for watching, and remember to use these techniques responsibly with images you have the rights to edit.